Good morning. How can I help you?
Hello, I have a big problem today.
I am sorry to hear that. What happened?
I bought this toaster yesterday. It is broken.
Oh, that is not good. Is it new?
Yes, it is brand new. I opened it today.
Did you try to turn it on?
Yes, I did, but nothing happened at all.
I see. My name is Anna. I will help.
Thank you, Anna. My name is David.
Nice to meet you, David. Don't worry now.
I was very hungry this morning. I wanted toast.
I understand. Breakfast is a very important meal.
Now I am angry and hungry. It is bad.
We will solve this quickly, I promise you.
Do I need to fill a form or talk?
First, tell me what is wrong. Does it smell?
No, there is no smell. It just stays cold.
Did the lights turn on? Is there a light?
No, the red light is off. It is dead.
Okay, let me check the box first.
Here is the box. It is a bit dirty.
The box is fine. I only need the toaster.
Can you fix it here or must I wait?
I need to check our system first. Please wait.
I am typing your information now. One moment.
Thank you for your patience. I am a bit loud.
It is okay. I am here for you.
You are very kind. I feel better already. Can you show me the toaster? Please take it out.
Look at this part. It looks loose.
Oh, I see. The button is not moving correctly.
Yes, exactly. I pressed it many times.
Did you hear a click or was it silent?
It was silent. It felt very soft and weak.
That sounds like a factory mistake. It happens sometimes.
Is it a common problem with this model?
No, usually this model is very good. It is famous.
I saw it on TV. The commercial was great.
Yes, it makes perfect toast. You were just unlucky.
I am always unlucky with machines. My kettle broke too.
Maybe you have a strong energy, David.
Maybe. I just want a hot sandwich.
I will check the wire now. Is it cut?
No, the wire looks perfect. I checked it twice.
Good. Safety is very important with electricity.
I agree. I don't want a fire at home.
Did you use a different socket? Maybe the wall?
Yes, I tried the kitchen and the bedroom.
That is very good thinking. You are very smart.
I tried my best, but it still didn't work.
Okay, I have all the details now.
What do we do now? What is next?
I need to see your receipt. Do you have it?
Yes, it is in my pocket. Let me find it.
Take your time. I am here all day.
Paper. Where is it?
Is it a small white paper from the shop?
Yes, I have it. Here it is, Anna.
Thank you. Let me scan this receipt now.
Is it okay? The ink is a bit light.
It is fine. I can see the date clearly.
It was yesterday afternoon, around 4 o'clock.
Yes, October 23rd. You bought it here.
Correct. I paid with my credit card.
Do you have the card with you, just in case?
Yes, I do. Do you need to see it?
No, the receipt is enough for now. It's valid.
Great. I'm glad I didn't lose it.
It is very important to keep receipts. Always keep them.
I usually throw them away, but not this time.
Luck was on your side today. It is good.
Can I get my money back? I'm not sure.
We can give money back or a new toaster.
I really like this model. I want a new one.
Good. A replacement is usually very fast.
Will the new one work? Can we test it?
Yes, we will test it together, right here.
That is a great idea. I don't want to return.
I understand. Your time is very precious.
Thank you for understanding. You are very professional.
I am checking our stock now. We have 5 left.
5? That's plenty. Can I have a red one?
Let me see. Yes, we have 1 red toaster.
Perfect. My kitchen is red and white.
That sounds very stylish. I like red kitchens.
Thank you. My wife chose the color.
She has good taste. Now, please stay here.
I am not moving. I'm waiting for my red toaster.
I am back. Let's look at the old one.
Are you going to open it with tools?
No, I just need to check the serial number.
It is on the bottom. I saw some numbers there.
Yes, here it is. 009.
Is that a bad number? Is it an old model?
No, it is a new model, but this batch is small.
I see. I'm looking at the plug now.
The plug is fine. It is a standard UK plug.
Everything looks so normal. Why is it broken?
Inside, there is a small wire. It is probably broken.
Can you fix the wire, or is it impossible?
It is too difficult here. We send it to factory.
That makes sense. It is better to have new.
Exactly. Now I am putting the old one away.
Goodbye, old toaster. You never made me bread.
You are very funny, David.
Humor helps when things break, don't you think?
Yes, it does. My day is better with you.
I'm glad. Most people are probably angry here.
Yes, some people shout. It is very loud.
I never shout. It doesn't help the machine.
You are right. Peace is much better.
Do I need to pay more for the red one?
No, the price is the same. It is a swap.
A swap. That is a good word. I like it.
We call it an even exchange in our shop.
Even exchange. I am learning new English today.
You are a very good student, David. Look at my screen, David. Everything is approved now.
Is that a green check mark? Does it mean yes?
Yes, the computer says exchange is okay.
That is wonderful news. I am so happy.
Your old toaster is now in our system.
What happens to the old one now?
We send it to our recycling center.
That is good. We must protect our planet.
I agree. We recycle all our broken electronics.
Do you need my phone number again?
No, it is already here. Is it 555123?
Yes, that is my number. It is correct.
Perfect. The system is printing a new label.
Why do we need a new label, Anna?
It is for your new warranty. It starts today.
So I have another year of protection?
Exactly. 1 full year for your red toaster.
You are very efficient. The system is fast.
We updated our software last month. It's better.
I can see that. Everything is very smooth.
Now I need to go to the warehouse.
Is the warehouse far from this desk?
No, it is just behind that big door.
I will wait here. I'm looking at phones.
Don't buy a new phone yet. Wait for me.
Okay, I promise. I only want toast.
I will be back in 1 minute, David.
Take your time. I'm enjoying the music.
I am going to get it.
I can't wait to see the red color.
Here it is, your new toaster.
Oh, the box is beautiful. It is very bright.
Let's open it together. We must be sure.
Whoa, look at that red color.
It is ruby red. It is very shiny.
My wife will love this. It is very stylish.
It looks perfect. No scratches or marks.
Let's check the button. Does it click?
Click. Did you hear that?
Yes, that is a very strong click.
That means the mechanism is working perfectly.
Can we plug it in just to see?
Of course. I have a socket right here.
The red light is on.
Look, it is getting warm already. Feel it.
Yes, I can feel the heat.
It works. No more cold bread for you.
I am so relieved. This is a great machine.
I will put it back in the box.
Do you have some bubble wrap for safety?
Yes, I will wrap it very carefully now.
Thank you. I am going home by bus.
The bus is bumpy. I will use extra tape.
You think of everything. You are a pro.
It is my job to make you happy.
Well, mission accomplished, Anna. I am very happy.
I am glad. Now we just need a signature.
Where should I sign? On the paper?
No, we use this tablet. It is digital.
Okay. Show me where to sign my name.
Please read this small text. It's about exchange.
I received a new product. Yes, I did.
And the old product stays with the shop.
That is fine. I don't want the broken one.
Great. Now use your finger. Sign here, please.
My signature looks a bit funny.
Digital signatures always look a bit funny.
Is that all? Do you need my ID?
No, the signature and receipt are enough.
Excellent. That was very easy and simple.
I'm sending a copy to your email.
Thank you. I will check it on my phone.
Did you get it? Check your inbox now.
Yes! Grand Store receipt. I have it.
Perfect. You have the digital and paper copy.
You are very organized. I like this store.
We try our best. We value our customers.
I will tell my friends about this service.
Thank you, David. That is very kind of you.
Do you have a boss? I want to say thanks.
My boss is in a meeting, but I'll tell him.
Tell him Anna is the best worker here.
Thank you. That makes me very proud.
It is true. You solved my problem fast.
I'm just happy you can have breakfast.
Tomorrow morning will be great. Toast and coffee.
Don't forget the bitter, or maybe some jam.
Butter and strawberry jam, my favorite.
Sounds delicious. I'm getting hungry too.
I should go. You need your lunch break.
Here is your new toaster, David. Enjoy.
Thank you, Anna. You are a star.
Have a wonderful day and a great breakfast.
I will. See you next time, but not too soon.
Yes, I hope this toaster lasts forever.
My friends, look at my toaster. Repeat after me. It is a brand new toaster. Great. Now say, the customer service was excellent. You are doing great. English is very useful.
Always keep your receipts, students. Say it, I have my receipt in my pocket. Perfect. Communication helps to solve any problem.
I am walking to the bus stop now.
I am starting to help the next person.
Goodbye, Anna. Thanks again.
Goodbye, David. Stay happy.
I am a very satisfied customer today.
Helping people is a very good job.